before she comes back, I thought I'd better enlighten you as to how we got to this fingers crossed stage. It's been a long time in the making, but I've got a little presentation for you. So Nudge has always had an interest in cooking. Didn't mean that she was any good at it. Probably 30 years she's attempted many recipes, and here's just a few of them. So first up, this was right at the beginning. So this is her purple bubblegum cake, complete with fornicating Lego men on skateboards. She was asked if she could make morning tea for everyone at a company that she worked with. Ever since she did that, she was never asked again to participate in that program. In no particular order, there's these, which I'm not really sure what they are, but based on the fact that I've got a significant amount of carbon, we could probably date them from that. Cookies, I think, chocolate cookies. Let's run with that. Well done, Nudge. These are her attempt at doing some crackers. Tasted like a corkboard, to be honest, and looked like one. Pretty inedible, but that didn't stop her putting them in a Tupperware container to eat later on, as if that was going to happen. Nudge's famous salad, a little bit plain, but it worked. Her famous wholemeal bread. Seriously, to this day, we don't know how she managed this. It was cooked fully to term, looked great until you started to slice it and it was empty. But literally wholemeal bread, we call it. This is her no rise cupcakes, complete with cement icing. Probably what best describes those as. Now these are a no rise savoury muffins. Now the good news about them being so thin is you can fit more into a Tupperware container, but on the flip side, the bad news is you can fit more into a Tupperware container. Oh yeah, her cold chicken pie with burnt crust. Still not quite sure how she manages to do that. Her impenetrable bread, you could not cut that with anything. Maybe a diamond saw might have gone through it. Didn't rise above the tin, as you can see. Still looks pretty happy about it though. My birthday cake. So on the right, red velvet cake was what it was supposed to be, and what Nadia produced on the left. Seriously, no way you were going to slice that to be able to put icing in the middle unless you had a microscope and a scalpel. But didn't stop her decorating it though. Again, happy days. Oh, these are terrible. This is crumpets, believe it or not, or as we referred to them as Play-Doh. You seriously couldn't eat them. That is carrot porridge. No matter what she threw on the top of that to make it look better, it still tasted like raw carrot. I actually don't know what that is. I think that might be wholemeal pancakes. Right, so there you have it. So there's a brief history of Nadia's cooking. Why have I kept all of these? Purely for legal reasons, really. So if I should happen to die unexpectedly, rest assured I was poisoned.